Oh! Horses out, Samantha's Best moving up on the outside, St. Clair together with Batang Rosario. Surfers Paradise, Monek comes next. Samantha's Best, St. Clair is on the outside second. Then 3 lengths away in third, Batang Rosario, Surfers Paradise in fourth. Monek comes next, then comes Clandestine and Aliana is raising him there. So that's still Samantha's Best by Oralenka. St. Clair now coming closer once again on the outside. Batang Rosario in third. Then racing in fourth, Surfers Paradise, Moneca. St. Clair takes the lead. Samantha's Best. Batang Rosario is on the outside. Surfers Paradise moving up. Batang Rosario, Samantha's Best, St. Clair as they come down at the last of it. Samantha's Best, St. Clair, Batang Rosario now on the outside to take the lead. It's now Batang Rosario, Samantha's Best, St. Clair, Monek, Aliana, and in the finish line it's Batang Rosario. Second, close, Aliana, Monek, Samantha's Best. Then comes St. Clair.